Oganda modak Nyakach e kaunti ma Kisumu ochako chenro mar pidho yiende kaka yo mar geng'o oula masiko kakelo negi midhiero ma kinde ka kinde.
Chenro no oting'o pidho yiende geng aora Nyando kod gwenge ma pi mamwomore kata oula thoro mwomo e kinde koth.
Kane giloso e kinde yango chenro makamano, jalup County Commissioner Peter Mutu owacho ni ruodhi kod jalupgi bendo nywaki e chenro no.
Apisas mochung'ne bunge alwora ma Kisumu Sabina Isaac wacho ni gisetimo nonro ma ging'eyo kit yiende makare mowinjore pidhi alwora no.
Tunahimiza kila mtu kutoka our sub county apande at least 100 trees. Hiyo ni kumaanisha kama mtu ako na watoto wanne hakikisha amepanda yake 100 na kila mtoto amepadia miti. Unfortunately in our sub county the forest cover is very low. It is below 1%. We want to urge the people of Nyakach to ensure they have planted enough trees so that our forest cover can improve to at least 10% that is recommended by our forest officers.
This is a fight towards global warming. Another thing is food security and poverty eradication. So basically in Kisumu, tunafanya mostly conservation forests along the Koguta Hills na huko milima huko Riat huko, but majorly we are concentrating on farm forestry and riparian forestry.
Trees will definitely reduce the flooding. Today we have 1 million seedlings. Half of it we are going to plant, and the remaining half will be donated to women groups and youths which we are having today. We want each household at least to plant 10 or more than 10. And we are going to use the same women groups, especially we'll identify the widows who will help us to maintain the forest as time goes.